Hey everyone, it's me Usmanuti. I'm from Pearl Lemon, and today we are going to review LemTask. LemTask is a platform which helps you to manage your tasks more effective way, better way, and categorized way. Yes, it also helps you with the reminders, recurring tasks, subtasks, and much more. So right now I'm at the homepage of lemtask.com. We have everything here like features, and you can see the pricing part if you want to see, use cases, comparing with our competitor, and what's new. All right, let me show you the insider part. So right now, inside the dashboard of LemTask, you can see here you have add task functionality here. You can press Q and you can add your task. Awesome. Now you have all of these features. You can speak as well. Okay, I have to review Parliament website. Yeah. Okay, let's stop it. Now, if I want to set it recurring and I want to set due date, I want to set priority, I want to add more voice to input, or I want to add this task, I can. Okay, let's close it for now. Now we have shortcuts, and of course we have the help center as well with all of the system. This is just one part, and you're gonna see hundreds of these type of things. If you don't like this layout, you can click on customize. You can drag and drop if you want to, and you can toggle off on any feature you want to. Now you can see I have Eat the Frog part as well. Eat the Frog is so famous. Now if I go to all task, I have all the tasks mentioned here with this click to complete, click to complete, click to complete, click to complete, everything, and assign. I can assign a task to my team members. Let's go to setting. Inside setting, I have profile, your profile, feature discovery, my profile. If I want to add my picture, I can. If I want to change avatar, I can click here and I can add panda. Panda is my favorite animal. So we have personalization, excel at work, launch something, learn, grow, organize, and work-life balance. I want this. So you have 100% control over it. It's not just like we are forcing something to you and we're just saying, just stick with that. It's you who pick what you want. All right. So that's a quick update about our platform. LemTask is one of the best platform. It's not one of the best, it's only the best, because I have not seen any platform which is that much advanced. And yeah, have a nice day. See you later. Bye-bye.